Ever found yourself staring at a screen full of data that looks like a total mess? Random characters, weird symbols, extra spaces everywhere? You know, data that screams, I don't know how to deal with this. Well, you're not alone. Here's a file called data. As you can see, it's packed with all sorts of distracting junk. Per wall, extra spaces at the beginning of lines, just a chaotic jumble. This is the kind of raw data that usually takes ages to clean manually. But watch this. In CoderNotepad, we're not afraid of a mess. We simply go to the powerful remove tools in the edit section. Here, we can target specific characters, whether it's commas, semicolons, brackets, or any other random symbol you want gone. Select everywhere, and boom. CoderNotepad swiftly removes all those unwanted distractions, making your data instantly more readable. See how much cleaner it is already? But we still have those annoying spaces at the beginning of each line. No problem. We head back to the edit section, click on the trim feature, and just like that, gone. Now, this data is incredibly clean and ready for whatever we need. But wait, there's even more precision. What if you only need specific pieces of this clean data? We can be incredibly focused. In our extract table section, you'll see powerful options to remove column if there are entire sections you don't need, or extract column for targeted data. And for the fastest extraction, head to the extract section. Let's say you just need emails from this huge list. With quick extract, you simply choose email, and in seconds, you have a perfectly clean list of only emails. You can do the same for phone numbers, links, money figures, or any other crucial data, quickly extracting what you need for any purpose. CoderNotepad empowers students and anyone working with raw or tabular data to quickly clean, organize, and extract information. No matter how messy your data looks, CoderNotepad can make it shine. Want to see more of these powerful features? Watch the full video by searching for your video title keywords online. Master your data the easy way.